Today we're going to make a delicious batch of creamy white chicken chili. Alright, on those cold Minnesota days when you need some nice comfort food, this is what you can go to. Alright, I'm a firm believer that nearly everything tastes better in cast iron, but really any pot will do as long as it's sufficiently large enough. Okay, we have about a pound of boneless chicken breast cut up into about half-inch cubes. I'm actually using pheasant today that was hunted right out here in some southern Minnesota fields. We have a diced medium onion, all chopped up. We're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. We need about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, 2 cans of Great Northern beans that are rinsed and drained. Okay, you need about 14.5 ounces or so of chicken broth. It can be reduced sodium, it can be homemade, it doesn't matter. Okay, about 4 to 8 ounces of chopped chilies. I had some in the freezer that we made ourselves, so that's what I used. We just chopped up, but if you have the canned stuff, that's okay too. 1 teaspoon salt. A teaspoon of ground cumin. We have a teaspoon of dried oregano. Let me see, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 cup, which is 8 ounces of sour cream, and a 1/2 cup of whipping cream. All right. We're gonna start. We're gonna see, give this a low to medium heat. We're gonna let this pan warm up. Put our, that was probably too much, dollop of oil in there. And then we're gonna dump in the pheasant or chicken if you use, with the onions and cook those up. Okay, you want to start by sauteing the poultry until it's no longer pink. You can mix in the garlic powder or just crushed and minced garlic cloves if you'd rather use that. And the onions until they're translucent. Okay, our poultry, I don't think is any longer pink. Alright, honestly, I'm colorblind and I can never tell. But the onions look done, and I usually tell when the chicken can be broken apart easily. And it can. And it's going to continue to cook too. So, alright, so we have that. We're going to mix in chicken broth. This is 6 ounces of chopped chilies. These ones are homegrown, but they usually come in 4-ounce cans. You can use 1 or 2 cans worth. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or a little more if you like it spicy. Okay, now it's time to mix it all together. Alright, we're gonna bring it to a boil and then lower it to a simmer and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. This is a quicker chili than your typical red chili you might have done before, where you let simmer all day long. This one's great for when you're hungry and you want something delicious on a cold day. It doesn't take that long to throw together. All right, we're gonna let this boil, then I'll let it simmer. Okay, now that it's been simmering for 30 minutes, you need 1 cup of sour cream. And 4 ounces or a half cup of heavy whipping cream. And stir it all up. Okay, this will serve about 7 relatively small bowls. You can eat it immediately or let it rest, and it tastes pretty great the next day too. This recipe is a family favorite, and it's great for using up some chicken or turkey or pheasant or whatever poultry you like. This could help you finish off that Thanksgiving bird on those cold Thanksgiving days, or just to enjoy in front of the fire. All right, bon appetit. Hey everybody, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my videos, then please like and subscribe to my channel, GeekGuyMJ. New content is coming out soon.